It will be very impossible for the Lord to wish something bad or worst for all of us, for His beloved people. Sa unang pong pagbasa natin, nangibabaw ang galit o marahil ang lungkot sa puso ng Diyos sa bayang Israel sa kanilang pagkakasala. God was at least in the brink of deciding to materialize His anger towards His people. But again, He never thought of bringing man to a bad and worse end. Inalala muli ng Diyos, mabuti ang dadalin ko sa mga taong ito, maganda ang ibibigay ko sa minamahal ko. On the one hand, when Jesus instructed His disciples to go forth and be present to their mission areas, He commanded them not by saying, "Oh, you kill them, destroy them, make enemies, say something bad to them, inisin niyo sila, painitin ninyo yung mga ulo ng mga taong makakasalamuhan ninyo." No. He instructed them to bring the good news, to heal people, to drive out demons, to bring peace to whomever they will encounter. The Lord will be after what will make us happy and blessed, not what will destroy us, but what will make us. And this is a beautiful invitation to all of us. The Lord wishes what is good for us, our wellness, our happiness, our joys, our consolations, blessings, and all. But what do you wish for others? Ano ang iniisip at laman ng puso natin para sa atin at para sa iba? Galit po ba? Sama ng loob? Plano ng away? Lamangan? Kalimutan? Baliwalaan? Iwanan? Baka po madami pa. And may these readings inspire us today to set our hearts for the wellness and the happiness of others, to extend our hands to share our blessings, to pray for our brothers and sisters, to forgive and to make peace, to share consolations, to share the good news of the Lord in many forms. Share blessings, not curses. Because at the heart of the Lord is love, wanting us to be well and to be blessed. And let us be inspired with this heart, that our very hearts, inside our hearts, may there lie desires to share blessings, to become a blessing for others, and open others to the blessings of the Lord, wishing them to receive His graces all the more.